Hello beautiful people watching this video. Today I will try and demonstrate how to use José Eber hairstyling products. Two of these products are straightening hair tools, so I'm very excited for the end result. The full-size Ionic blow dryer comes with a diffuser attachment and also a concentrator attachment. I chose the red color blow dryer and it comes with 2 speeds and 3 heat settings. So the blow dryer also comes with a cold shot button and it has a 3-year limited warranty. Okay, so just putting a disclaimer out there, I am not a professional, so I'm just going to blow dry my hair like I normally do. So this blow dryer was made with Ionic and ceramic technology for smooth and shiny hair. So hopefully it does leave my hair like that, and we'll see the end result. So after a few minutes, I decided to attach the concentrator attachment just to see if the results would be the same or different. So I just keep blow drying my hair for a few more minutes, trying to reach all my hair. To be honest, the air doesn't feel very hot against my scalp, which is like a plus because it is not damaging my hair and scalp as much as my regular blow dryer. So seriously, in a matter of minutes, I already feel my hair decently dry and pretty silky. I have a lot of hair and I normally let my hair air dry, but sometimes, like when I go out, I will blow dry my hair, and I think this tool is going to reduce my time in half whenever I get ready to go out. So when I bought the products, the lady who sold it to me mentioned that there was no real need to use heat protectant because of how the products were made and used. To be honest, I don't know how real that is, but in this occasion, I didn't use heat protectant because I wanted to see if the results would be the same or true even without the heat protectant. So when my hair was about 80% dry, I started brushing it so that I could see how it turned out. My hair was hardly tangled and it was so easy to pass the brush through it that I just kept brushing it because it just felt so soft. Seriously, my hair felt so silky and it looked so shiny. Also, my hair didn't smell like a hot tool just went through it, which is a huge plus for me. So this is the end result after using the Ionic blow dryer, and to be honest, I am in love. So next I wanted to try the digital straightening brush. The straightening brush has a heat control from 170 degrees to 400 degrees. For the vibrating flat iron, all you do is push a switch off and it will turn on. And when you close the flat iron, you can actually feel it vibrate. Okay, so I'm going to divide my hair in two sections, and in one I will be using the brush, and in the other one the flat iron. So pretty much all you do is grab a strand of hair and pass the brush through it a few times. So you can't really see it because I was having lighting problems, but the hair I used to brush looked very straight and less frizzy. The first time you pass the brush through your hair, it's supposed to detangle it, and by the second or third time it should make it straight. Okay, so now moving on to the vibrating flat iron. So it's pretty much the same concept as the regular flat iron. When I ran my fingers through my hair felt so soft and so silky and with a lot of volume, but without the frizzy sensation. So overall, I did feel pretty happy with the results. I know that my hair is not very curly, but whenever I straighten my hair, people actually notice that I have done something to my hair. Also, I didn't put any heat protectant and my hair didn't look damaged days later, so I was really glad about that. However, if you are the type of person that uses heat protectant, regardless, I mean, you can use it, no biggie. I really like how fast my hair got straightened with the vibrating flat iron, so I just kept straightening both sections with the flat iron. I really like how the ceramic plates are over 1 inch thick because you can straighten more hair at a time. So just ignore my sister in the background. We were getting ready to go out, and since we are roommates, she went in without realizing I was recording. LOL. So here again is where you can see the most that my hair looked really shiny, it didn't look dirty, or that a hot brush or a flat iron was used in my hair. Even my sister commented that my hair looked really healthy. At this moment, I probably needed to stop straightening my hair because it was already straight, but I just couldn't because I just loved how easy it was to get my hair that straight. I just had to do my shampoo commercial hair model hair flip. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!